Japper look-alike. Come here. Come here. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Alright. Naomi, what you want?
Look at the cat. Looks just like her. Sorta. He has a tail. Welcome to Henbury Farm. It is, oh God, what is, today is the 31st, the absolute last day of January. And I had a special treat today. Unfortunately, it was at the expense of somebody else. My friend down the road, he has this massive farm, and him and his helper Kate were out running their animal checks during this winter storm that we had, and one of their newborn calves got pinned by a fallen branch, and the cow, it was a bull calf. The bull calf was pinned down to the ground, and his face got frozen to the ground, and he's come out blind because his eye got froze to the ground. He's got a knot on his neck, and Chris offered to have people come out and feed the cow. So I'm like, yes, I want to do that. So today, Keith and I went over there and got to feed the baby cow. So cute, so cute. Oh, he's just so cute. Anyways, here we go. Enjoy the video. Oh, he's so cute.
Come on, let's go get your bottle. Come on. Timber, I know I shouldn't have put that in there. Come on. Come on, let's go get your bottle.
Baby.
Let's go get your bottle. Sadie, be nice to him. Come on, Sadie. Sadie. Oh, God, she just gets so jealous.
You want attention?
Come on, Sadie, come. Come on. Come on, you gonna come for a walk?
Come on.
I don't want to put a halter on him yet until his neck swelling goes down. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Yeah,
It's like, yeah, I'm looking for the bottle in your hand.
Yeah, he's hungry. Come on. That's it. Good boy. Come on. All right, fine. Stay in there.
I'm going to stay with him.
You can take that bucket back in there and sit on it. You'll probably headbutt it for milk.
Uh-oh. Look, my boobies don't work anymore. Hi. Hi. Oh, that's a sheep. Moo. Yeah. Now I gotta make 2 videos tonight. He's got a dog vest on. You don't want to be pet? You want milk, but you don't want to be pet? Hey, buddy. No, thanks. I'm gonna feed a bull calf. There he is. He got hit by a log or a tree, and it pinned him to the ground, froze his face to the ground, so he has no vision in one eye. And I got honored to be able to do feeding for him. old is he?
4 days.
4 days? Oh boy, you're doing the same thing as the sheep do. Where you going? Where you going? So is this regular milk or is it cow's milk?
It's a milk replacer. This week, the first week, 4 times a day, for a total of a gallon over.
4 courses.
Yeah, 4 quarts. From 8 in the morning to 8 at night, 9 at night, so 12 hours. Then he goes until 8 the next morning. You can see the scar tissue in that right eye.
Yeah, I see that.
And then his nose got frostbite on his nose.
Poor thing.
Yeah, he had a rough go. But he's getting stronger every day.
Have you tried to reunite him with the mom?
So we were going to do that when we brought him back the next day.
Mm-hmm.
But we have to treat the knot on his neck, and we have to give him shots for 5 days. And to get the mom in here would have been a chore. And to take him out there and then bring him in every night would have been a chore. And she thinks he's dead because when we found him, she had already reunited herself with the herd. And then when she came over, she watched me pull him out. She watched us pull him out from where he was entrapped, or he was trapped, and she didn't even holler for him. And when we took him out of the field, she never hollered. She never, Wow. So we just figured, now if I could get her in the barn here, then we'd try it, but we're just gonna make a pet out of him.
I know that feeling. I got lots of pets.
We're gonna put a halter break him and take him to the farmer's market with us.
Oh, that'll be so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna get
We
a lot
did that
of
with
business out of
another.
that.
I did that with a little heifer calf that we had to bottle feed when its mother, it couldn't stand for the first 3 days of its life, so we had to feed it in a sling, and we did physical therapy. And after about 3 days, it was premature, but after about 3 days, it got strong enough to stand up.
Yeah, she been one of them Highlander calves. And I said, well, look at this. I'm going to show you a picture of the baby. It is cute. That's what it looks like when it gets grown.
They are cute.
I said, all baby animals are cute when they're little.
I like the disposition of this breed the best. Next week we'll go to 3 times a day with just a little bit, like still 4 quarts. And then after a few weeks, we might up it a little bit.
I'll do a feeding tomorrow if it's like a noontime-ish.
Yeah.
10
I'm gonna
10
do
or
it in the
2.
morning, then I'll do after I get noontime.
Okay.
We'll do it. We'll do it at noon.
There's a smidgen left. Okay, you're gonna get too much gas.
Now you got thumb across your shoulder and Berkeley.
Nah,
No, he's gonna. Now he gets mad.
he's gonna get mad.
Sometimes he talks. Sometimes he'll talk. Go ahead, baby. Try to. Yeah. You know, no more.
Whoops.
Nope.
Bye. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
You want to come out while I clean the bucket? While I clean the bottle? Or you gonna run back in?
I'll stay right here. She had the bottle. Maybe she's got more.
Nope.
Oh.
He puts himself to bed all the time. All right, Timber. We'll see you later.
Bye. See you later.